been wanting to redo this pattern forever. I've had this thing for probably 7 or 8 years. My friend Ty Marvin printed up a bunch of these. The only thing I've ever had printed. Worked really well, but it was just too big, and I never had the alignment correct from the top to the bottom on the big pattern. So I'm making a small pattern, my favorite little flask. Got to drill some holes to let the pins go through from the top and the bottom of the rocket bomb and anvils. The pins will assure correct alignment, and then I sanded each one, dropped them in, put a little super glue to hold them. So now I know I have really good alignment. My pattern plate is a little thin, but it's going to work. I poured a few. They look really good. The alignment's good. Finished out with the center drill, a little bit of sanding, painted them black. End of the day, ready to go. $30 a piece if you want one with the CB logo. They're on my website.